Jacksonville is a place to know and be known. It's a place to meaningfully impact change. It's a place to be bolstered by a diversity of voices. And it's a place to be considered a friend and a neighbor.
Jacksonville is a great place to work because there's a diversity of employment opportunity and industry here. We have agriculture, manufacturing, retail, small businesses, large businesses, not-for-profits, social service, educational, hospitality, you name it. The Jacksonville area has a wide array of businesses that are here and ready for employees to come and live and work in our area.
So if you're looking for job security, I think Jacksonville is a good place. You know, we have people from all walks of life. We have people from different areas that have relocated to Jacksonville looking for more of this kind of environment.
I moved all the way to Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and I worked at a big Research One university, and that's where I met my husband. And then this amazing position came open at IC, and we couldn't help but apply for it and come to Jacksonville. My husband works from home, and he needs access to a fast-paced broadband, and he has absolute access to that. He's able to do everything he needs to do and work on time to pick up our kids from school.
I think that's a great place to start a career. We have a little bit of everything, whether it is with agronomy, so you're talking about seed and so forth. We have a lot of marketing opportunities. We have, a large elevator system just to the south of town, and then at Bartlett, and then you go down along the river. There's plenty of opportunities there with all the different barge freight and rail opportunities. There is plenty of opportunities to get employment within Jacksonville, and then Jacksonville has, everything that you need from a recreation standpoint.
We employ about 900 people, and we are constantly hiring. It's a secure job. Never been out of work for as long as I've been here for 33 years.
We have opportunities across the board, from operators to administration to engineers, team leaders. So we have a wide variety of opportunities for many different people.
Jacksonville doesn't give us any barriers to market. The network of people from the workforce to the network of people from the governmental body that helped CCK over the years, it's just a network of people that make it happen. And it's all about the people, so.
As a representative of the Jacksonville Regional Economic Development Corporation, we stay in close contact with the industry and the businesses that are within the Jacksonville region. And we hope that it feels like an open door policy, where if there are issues or opportunities, those people operating the businesses are coming right to us to ask, how we can be of help to them.
The Jacksonville Area Chamber of Commerce wants to support business in any way that they can. We have a number of businesses that are members, so we have large businesses, small businesses, so we try to do what is needed by that business that will ensure their success here in the Jacksonville area. We offer seminars, we have volunteer opportunities, and a lot of networking opportunities as well, which is important in our small community because it's still important to handshake and know the people that you're working with every day.